In this video, I am going to show you how to set Perplexity AI as default voice assistant on mobile. Let's get started. First, download or update the Perplexity app from the App Store to make sure you have the latest version. Once installed, open the app and sign into your account. On iPhone, Perplexity cannot replace Siri as the system-wide default assistant. Apple does not allow third-party apps to fully override Siri. However, you can still use Perplexity's built-in voice assistant inside the app. To use voice mode, open the Perplexity app and tap the microphone icon. Grant microphone and other permissions if prompted. This allows you to ask questions, control media, and perform supported tasks using voice. Make sure notifications, microphone, access, and background app permissions are enabled in settings for smoother performance. Remember, Siri will still remain your default assistant, but you can use Perplexity anytime directly from the app for AI-powered answers and voice interaction. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.